je voulais pas aller à l'hôpital. Je voulais plus.
Allez, asseyez-vous.
Non, moi je voulais plus vous. Il faut que vous partiez. Vous partez chez moi. Je suis pas malade. Je voulais pas aller à l'hôpital. Je voulais aller.
Madame,
je suis tranquille chez moi. Laisse-moi être tranquille chez moi.
Regarde. Asseyez-vous, tranquille.
Non, arrête de popper.
Vous voulez qu'on discute tous les deux?
Non, tu ne peux pas aider moi.
Non mais écoutez-nous.
Tu ne peux
Écoutez-moi.
pas aider moi. Parce que quand je voulais vous aider moi.
Oui, voilà.
J'ai déjà allé à l'hôpital.
Oui, mais on comprend, madame.
J'ai déjà allé à l'hôpital pour aider moi pour mon bébé. Ah!
Madame,
aidez-moi.
Madame,
mon bébé.
Madame, oui, madame, oui, on a compris votre histoire. Et il y a une
Ils n'avaient plus mon bébé.
Voilà, c'est ça.
Mon bébé, ils ont pris.
Pas de souci.
Hello everyone, welcome back to Plan B TV. I quickly want to address some issues. I came across this video. I really don't know how to talk about it because I found it very much disturbing to me that I have to say some certain things before I post this video to the general public. Please everybody, my brothers and sisters, my father, my mother, anyone that is watching these videos, please, I want you to hear your view, advise this woman. She really needs your best advice at this moment because I don't really know how some men find it very relaxing using child as a means to get documents by putting or jeopardizing another woman's life. Like this particular stories or this video you are going to watch, I felt this woman pain and don't really know how to. You know, this thing is so rampant in Europe, particularly. The recycling of ancestral behaviors of some men, like what their forefathers have been doing. You know, you have children, you don't even know the true size of that child, you don't know the name of the school the child is going, you don't know the dates of your child's birthday, you don't even know the class which your children are. But you know that you are a father, you have a child, you don't care for those children. But when the children grow up tomorrow and they become somebody great, you start blaming the mother for that the children is not taking care of you. Just watch this particular video, feel the pain of this woman because she narrated the whole story. So I want you to watch this video and hear me your view. Thank you very much. I wouldn't want to say much because the video is really long.
Osidebe Felix, wait for me for guillotine. And they come meet you for guillotine. Now today, either you kill me or me go kill you. Or our two go prison. They go carry our two go prison. Me they call that guillotine for you. And they call that guillotine because of you. You can never just carry my baby, give government, semi government, carry for no reason. You go free. No, you can never. You carry my baby, you give government. You say make government carry my baby for my heart. Make they carry my baby when me carry for good 9 months. Bon. Baby when me suffer for. Baby when me they suffer, I don't see you. You know they there. Baby when me say, since when me born and I made they feed and I made they take care of and I made they do everything. You know they do. You tell government, say me they carry the baby. And you threaten me. Say if government not carry that baby from my hand, you not go rest because I say go documents where you want and not give you. How me want to give you documents? Now you give me my own document. Now you make me get document for France. Now you give me documents. I me want to give you. I mean you were just spent 20-something years in Europe, 29 years in Europe for Italy. Waiting made they kill your nationality. Waiting made they kill your passport for your hand. Not because of the drug. The drug where you they say and the traffic. This is the way you say they do. They bring women come here, they do ashawo, they do prostitute, they pay you. Not be made the kill your passport for Italy. For the 21 years, in prison where you get for Italy, where can make you run come up for Italy, come France. Now me say me you go they do all those things for Italy. Now me say me you go they do bad things for Italy, make they kill your documents. Now me say me you go they do anything, traffic. They do fake money. They use fake money. They bring women come here. They pay you. You they do only you want see who they do drug business. Only you want they do drug business. Only you wanna use to do curtis. You they use arrow bag at the threat everybody. They beat everybody. They beat police. They beat all. Not be made the key your passport for your hand. Now me tell your wife, your ex-wife say make you carry children run away from you. Now me tell your ex-wife, say make you carry your children run away from you. Why you can't be saying na me? You say you want to pay people for wait till you use your hand take cost for yourself. Why you can't be saying na me? I'm my innocent baby. Now you want to pay. You tell George. You know fear. You say make George collect my baby from my hands. They really carry the baby. Now your mama for grave. Now you give me the house where you say when me put your name, when me remove my son name and put your son name so that when you be the owner of my house, as if for waiting. How me go remove my son name and put your son name say may you be my own, may you come be the owner of my house. Only you want. Now you go see carry friends. You go pack friends come my house. Without say you no go tell me. If me ask you, go begin cause they threaten me with a Arubaga. Now say I go do you this. Now say you go do me that. Where be say then the Italy they find you for the 21 prison, the 21 years in prison where you get for grant for Italy there. They find you for Italy. Now you call France. You can't say na me. Now you want to use this show for France. See this idiot. This mogul. Okay, they carry the baby come out from my hand. It is say now let me one. No be your blood. Ha! Now let me one boner. That still be your blood now. But you mumu rich. You mumu rich because of documents. Because of your document. Because of 65 euros. I mean 66 euros. Where there they give the baby where be say the money not even they reach me even take the bad pampers for a week. Now it make you say make government carry the baby. Say you better say where the baby dey for government hand. That say the baby go dey my hand. You see your life? And that baby, that innocent baby, that innocent baby, its tears go dey your head. He go dey your head. That innocent baby go worry you. I pick you for dustbin. I pick you like a junkie. Put you for my house. Bath you, finish. Feed you, finish. Because they waited to pay me back. Now government will take my blood away from me. You go suffer. You go suffer. You. Felix, you go suffer. You see, say for that swear where the rest women don't first swear for you. If they worry, you will be saying, all your body full of city like see wait you carry HIV. Now so man. The Nigerian man for that matter go even say you want bath. And Nigerian man for that matter go say you want bath. He go carry water, go they pour a for body. Come out to use sponge. He will take bath. You know they use sponge. Since women not Felix so the for since 1 year now, that man never use sponge. She take touch his body. He never bath with sponge. Now so you go you enter bedroom, you go turn water put for body, go come up for inside bedroom. You carry towel, my white towel, take clean body. You like say my white towel, they go put her for erosion. 2 months, just 2 months old. 2 months old. You say me, government, they take her away from me. You see me? I blame myself. Way. I regret the reason why the very first day I know you, the judge they blame me. How can me open my eye and born for that kind of man? When me not say the baby, if me born and the baby not go stay with me. When me go born for this kind of man? When me not say if me born for the baby, if me born the baby not go stay with me. This man like they take away my baby of 2 months old. 47-old man. Now him say me they take away 2 months old baby. Government. They want me. Now what did the judge still tell me? Now me cause this thing for myself. You know why? Because why? When me take born that baby for hospital, when you take hospital cause they make problem with me, say I not put your name for the baby. They go tell me say, make this baby for they save with me. May they carry me and the baby go for a year. They no say me get house. Me can't say no. Me not they go for ye. Okay, the cost still reason and say me day well for France. Maybe not because say as I day when I make me say me no want for ye. Okay, the cost still beg me. Okay, they want go rent one bed, one room and parlor for me when me day with my baby. I say no. Say I no agree because I don't already get my whole ass with me day. I day well. They can't want me. Okay, they go leave this baby for you. In one condition. You know why? Because they see the way you take care of this baby. They see the way you take care of this baby. Because of this reason, they go allow me go my house with my baby. Because the man tell they say me they collect this baby from my hand for hospital. May they not allow me come out with this baby for hospital. When they collect the baby from my hand for the very day the baby was born. Say me they collect her from my hand for hospital. Based on say hospital, they not be that kind of bad people. They not see anything say I do anything bad. Where he go me they collect my baby. Now so they got to change my room. I don't know say information. This man don't give the information. They will lie. He said me no fit take care of my baby. Say me no go fit take care of my baby. Oh, say me they collect the baby from my hand for hospital. Why? Because I say I no put in name. He send me voice record that very day. Promise me he with his useless brother where they call Peter for Nigeria. Peter was the way I see that go kill for Nigeria. They said they need to change my room. Now I ask they say why. They say they get why because why the way this man they behave, then they fear say make this man no call you draw this baby, make you not call kill the innocent baby. Because the way the matter push the baby made they just newborn. Baby will never reach 30 minutes where they born. If you see the way where this man take carry that baby, free and throw away. He drag, he carry baby for nurse hand. He push the baby throw away. If they drag paper for nurse hand, say want check on whether I name day, whether I name day, whether I name day. If they tell us say since not be name day, say me nurse go remove my son name. Not be say me not put in name now another man name I put my son name. Because why? The time I get belly, this man leave me. He abandoned me. After 8 months, I was born. This man got to come back. At that time, France got reject and say then they don't want her for their country. Again. Now he got to come back. I don't know say na document. Can I come back? Oh, now later, we got to do all those things. Now me tell us, I say, why you go to behave all these kind of things? You want to me to take this baby from my hand? Now he got to tell me say France not give her paper. Say France reject her. Say France ask her to come up for their country because they don't give her paper. He not get document. Now me tell France say me they not give you document. Now me tell you. May you they pack people come for the foyer where they put you. You they pack people from Italy they come. Say make them they pay you 50 euro. May where you take they carry they come. You they collect money for people hands. And you want to say make the government give you documents. As they want to give you the documents. Where can be say you they do traffic some things for their country. He never do you. They can't say when me come up for the room. They want to change my room. And really, they can't really carry me come up for the room. I don't know say the room where they go put me camera there. I don't know say camera there for the room where they carry me go. So they can't need to ban this man. So make you not come for hospital again. Or see me go come up for hospital. Make this man not come hospital again. Say if he come, if they say and they go call police for him. Really? He go come, they not go grease and make him enter. They go drive him, he go back. The place where they put me, I don't know say camera deal. Now after a week, I spent almost about a good week. Almost close to 2 weeks. Now me when they go for hospital, before hospital call release me to come out. They can't tell me say when me come out with my baby. Hey, the day when me want come out for hospital, now that day me no say that room where they put me and my baby say camera dey there. I surprised say the their own manager for the hospital come by himself. Call they wish me well, they pray for me, they tell me say he pray, say when me jama, where you go fit join me take care of my baby. Say the father, say like the father of my baby is a very bad person. Say the man tell them say me no fit take care of my baby. Say me they collect the baby from my hand. He tell them say me no go fit take care of my baby. Say me they collect the baby from my hands. So because of say they not get any proof when they want to collect the baby, now me they call carry me come this room. Now so the woman call take point and go up. He say when me look up. Now me call look. I see say camera did there. Now I say wow. So when I carry me, when I put me for where camera they sees since so why? Now they call they explain to me. See the reason why and the reason why they put me for that room. They don't monitor me. They don't investigate me. They say me not be that kind of person where the man tell they say I be. Say but they go tell me say when me go for a year with my baby go stay for 5 years. Even if say I get house I day well just for the protection of my baby. Say because the man not want this baby. Wait till this man want now document. Then don't see him. Say the man don't want the baby. Now I know they go for a year. They cause okay, may they still go rent one room and bed, one room and parlor for me. Send but me no go pay. Oh, I no go they pay now. Then go they pay for me. I can't say no. How me go there? Me go still they pay my own house rent. My own house rent when me they pay for a month. And they pay 800 euro. Why government? Why government they support me with 400 euro? Why everything could be 1,200 euro? When me they pay every month for my own house? This man never support me one day, pay my rent. But he go there my house, he go they carry friends, they come without saying no go even take permission for me. He go they carry friends, they pack, they come my house. They come, they pack, come. I caught the son of they go the house. I prefer to stay in my house. I don't know say the house. When me go stay, my baby not go there with me again. Which house? Now where government go carry the house because I don't want again. I don't want this house again. May they go carry the house. Me no want again. I don't want their house again. I don't want again. As I come out from hospital, they come warn me. They say they go only leave me go for one condition. Gay. Say that condition. Then no one see this man close to my baby. If they see her close to my baby, they go collect the baby from my hand. And then I cut her and say, okay, I don't hear. And really, I can't take their word because I don't want to say me they collect this baby from my hand. I know what. Now this useless man called they call my old brother for Italy. They tell my brother, say my brother beg me. Say when me just allow him to call they visit the baby, just they see the baby for face. After some months, after 1 month, now I could say allow this man. This man don't come for many times for my house. I don't go open door for him. He go. He don't come many times. I don't go open door for him. He go because government don't want me say if they see this man close to my baby, they go collect that baby from my hand. When I see say, ask Percy, they use good, they kill safe. For this life, he no good. Say me you, they do good though. He no good. I don't kill myself with my good. I use the good. I use and take kill myself. See now. I use and take suffer innocent baby. Small baby for that matter. He can't get one day where this man can come. That's say he pressing my bell. He ask me not to answer him. He can't begin to disturb all my labor. They disturb all my labor. They press all my own labor door. Now they call you say, one woman they knock my door. Now me call go open door for her. Now I call they tell me say, he get that man, he get one Tom man wake you always they come call they meet me for a house. Say the man they press his bed. Say when me ask the man why the man they press his bed. Really? I could come out. Now I come meet and say, why you go they press my labor bed? No, they disturb my labor. Again. Now he they beg me. Say he want just see baby. When me allow him see baby. Oh, see me now. I can't really allow this man see this baby. Make this man can't go. Over since then, this man not really leave my house again. I don't know say this street, he not get where to stay. He will always they posty picture. They do like say life they well for her. He not get house. He not get anything. After 29 years in Europe, oh, he not get anything. Nothing get. House for Nigeria, he not get. Land for Nigeria, he not get. Nothing, not even shenshi. He get for account. Come up from my house. He not agree. See, that day when the matter happen, I not talk bad. Now he carry his friends come my house, even when he know say government bad and say make they come my house, call they see my baby. He still carry his friends come, he call they shot for my back hole. Now me take go meet and say, why you go they make noise for my back hole? And you know say government banned you, and maybe government just still tell my labor, say make them they watch, make them they monitor me, whether they go see you around this my house. No, they make noise for my back hole. No, they disturb my labor. And your friends, where you they carry the call. You know say government banned you, but I allow you to call the see your baby because of say may God not say I call they do bad things. They make me. Even when me say I like this man to call the see baby. Common food, you know fit buy. Pampers you know fit buy. I be the only one way be say I go buy pampers. I go buy food. Now me go buy clothes. For your present, now carry 400 euro come out. I carry go supermarket, carry go boutique. I use Zante do shopping for my old baby. Still buy food. Nothing when he did. He get one day where the baby want go take injection, and me don't already pay my house rent. As friends, they tell me to get belle, say I no fit work. And me, I know the work, and my so much don't finish. So government not they pay me again. I no fit pay my house rent. I could get bill of 1,800 for grant. For this my present, now me tell the find me want to pay. I mean want to pay my bill. For your present, now you know that man. For send me that money, when me take pay my bill 1,800, why he still dey inside the house? The man never even come the house one day. The man never see me for eye one day. The man never come my own house one day. After I don't pay all this bill finish, this baby my own baby want go take vaccine, and the vaccine now 100 euro, and he never dey for my hospital card. So, I need to buy the vaccine, 100 euro. I also buy the medicine when me go later give after the vaccine. Everything come be almost about 180 euro. 80 euro. Now let me buy the vaccine, still go buy this medicine. I not do bad thing. Now I tell this man say, what is the need? Say you just dey here. And nothing where you they do. Now me go feed you. Now me go see if they feed your baby. Now me go see if they pay my rent. So, may you go work, not be to just go give hotel. You go come out. You go come out around 6. Go give hotel in the morning. Come back around 9 o'clock in the night. You go there. You go drink. You go smoke. And if everybody for there go begin to fear you, because everybody forgive. All of them don't let me know say babe, as this country happen to you, you know say we not go both talk to the man. The man they like to fight well. They like to beat people. He just they like to threaten people life well. So I beg, may you take heart. You see? Now wetin me ask am? How only me want go till they do all those things? It's better say me you just pay for your home. Just go your house. Now this man begin start to. Now he begin they break everything from my house. He begin they break everything from my house. Now so this man carry mirror. He hit her for his head. He break the mirror for his head. Now police come. This man tell police and me break the thing for his head. As the thing break finish, he carry the pieces. He use a tell mark his belly. He tell police and me do one. He tell me say the police must collect this baby today from my hand. Say na he make her come. He come here to come finish his mission. Say because he wants to make this baby go for government hand. He not go fit there alive. Say another man go come cause they take care of his baby. Say he wants to wait the baby go for government hand. Now this man take up problem. Police call recon the baby. They call carry the baby. Today now I go the court of my baby. Judge, biggie judge. This man tell judge. They ask and say, what you want to make the baby be now? You want to make they give the baby to your mother to your mother? He say no, say me they not give me you. Say me they keep on. Me they keep on for where he day. Say because if they give me the baby, say me go kill her. Me go kill the baby enemy. He say me go kill my own baby when me born, when me carry for good 9 months born. He said me go kill my baby with my 2 hands. He tell judge, say me stab back for your eye. Something wey happen since last year wey be say na even put me for prison. He don't say when this man they try to put me for prison. This man pack people come my house. He go tell police and I me pack the people, and me carry the people for all the way from Nigeria come here. Say me they call the do how they pay me. And so lucky now, all those people called they here. They never come out that time. Now the people as police come bust they bust my ass. Early morning, enter my ass. Say Felix they called they say I they do drug business. And me still they do human trafficking. Say whether all those people where they my ass, whether not be me carry they come. Say whether all of them know they pay me. Whether not all of them know they pay me. I was so shocked. If you see what the police do me that day, I had this belly to come. That period they won't carry me go prison. The policeman tell me say na 5 years prison. And me they go for the traffic, drug traffic and human traffic. What me never do for my life since I was born. Now this man accused me of. So lucky. The people when he tell Ogba say na me carry con say then they pay me. They call there. One of them even they watch me. Favor they watch me. I will say not be favor. I boyfriend. Even tell Ogba say me never know themselves. I never know them. Now Ozide they carry they come my house. Without saying never tell me. Me no know them. Now help I give. As the carry they come my house, say based on say the Ozide the landlord the don't portion come off for her because he not fit pay landlord 1,800 when the whole landlord called driver come out. Then all these guys called there for streets. Now this man still go pack the come my house. I never still refuse. I call help them because of one for his side. Favor because the girl is very nice. Now me cut her allow they stay in my house. Now this man come out, go talk back say I carry people come. The people within my house, then they pay me. He talk back say me they do drug business. Traffic drug. And human trafficking. Now me they do. Really, the Ogbas, they call him Mumu come, they call Tom and Hasso Sada. They ever sees them a favor document. They send me, they call me there for station around 2. That was last year, last year. They call seize there all of the documents. They made they call me there for around 2 for station to call talk whether I me really carry the con. Because the owner of the house where they say the girl they go prison tomorrow morning after court. There they carry and they go prison for 5 years. Say if they not come for that around 2 o'clock, if they not come, then go come back to this house. If they come, they go pack all of them and they go deport all of them, go Nigeria. And really, those girls already come for station. Now they said me. They called me police, no say me no even know them. Now this man I carry they come my house. This kind of thing. Which Benin man go do this kind of thing? Which Igbo man? Which Yoruba man? Which tribe go do this kind of thing? Where shaman do? They carry 2 months of baby. Say me they carry the 2 months of baby. 2 months old. Say me they keep her from government house. People wicked. Say father of your blood. If you fit tell government, say me government collect that baby for a mother hand because of documents. Because of the benefit of the baby, how much? How much government they pay for France for baby now? 66 euro. Now they pay the baby the 66 euro. Where can I even buy my shoe? Yeah. The 66 euro where be say never reach papas for a week. Now this man made the collect innocent baby from my hands. I don't take her. I don't take her. I will take. I wish I know the regret. I wish I know for you follow there. I forgot the fire that the house where they costed the one rent. I forgot. I wish I know say this kind of thing go happen. Hey, that baby go dey feel for government hand now. Why me no you better about that baby that time when me take appointment say I want go remove her? Why no better do I take appointment reach 3 times for hospital say I want go do abortion? Why me not do her? Hey, God. God! This God, if you yourself, you always just sit there with your body. I'll go back to Spain. I better day for Spain, like it's better. I'll do there. I'll go back to Spain. Wait what they do for France. I'll go back to Spain before France go make me do what I'm not supposed to do. Because if I'm mistaken, as they do all those things to me, say I kill somebody now, they go lock me for prison. For them to not put me for prison, I better come over the country for them. I'll leave the country for them. Not be documents. I don't get documents. I don't get my passport. So I'll come over their country. I'll leave the country for them. But I must surely come back and fight my own baby. I'll collect my baby for the heart.
Very much for watching our video to the very end. If our whole subscribers, thank you for always coming back to watch our videos from Facebook, from YouTube. We really appreciate everyone that is supporting us. If it's the first time of coming across our videos, why not take a moment of your time to visit our platform and follow us on Facebook and subscribe to our YouTube channel. This is the only way you can support us, by sharing and commenting and hearing your view about these specific videos. Until we meet again, stay tuned with Plambit TV. Peace out.
To your family. Don't forget to subscribe to get notified. And as you they share your support, now say God bless you too.
Sense on the bed.
Plambit TV, Plambit TV, Plambit TV. Oh, Plambit. TV, Plan B TV, Plan B TV.